Hi there guys, it's Alec here, and I quickly wanted to show you how to update your default currency format in Excel. So often we want to report on numbers, but we report on currency. So what we'll do is we want to format those numbers that we type into spreadsheets into some kind of currency. And if I go here, this is a quick little access on my formatting, but it's going to dollars. Now I'm in South Africa. I want to report in rands. I want to first have my default set up as default to rand when I press this icon. So how do I do that? Alright, so firstly I'm going to close this Excel, and then I'm going to go down to my Windows, start typing date, and you'll see something comes up, date and time settings. Click on it. Then you'll go down slightly until you get this thing called language and region settings. Alright, so then you scroll down until you get something by region formatting. So you'll see mine is now currently on English and in brackets United States. Right, so let me change that because that's obviously where it's pulling the default from as dollars. I find English South Africa there. I close this. Now if I go back, I open an Excel empty sheet. I go to just my first blank sheet over here, and you'll also see it's kind of like changed now. This is no longer a dollar sign there, and 1 2 3, and I click there and I just click on that icon, and there we go. Now it's rand as a default. Alright, so you can obviously still go and update to other currencies here by clicking this down arrow, or go to more accounting formats, which will give you plenty more currencies at these drop downs. Alright, I hope that helps. Have a great day guys. Bye.